Hi everyone and welcome to the Eforias YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I made textured wall art using two different techniques. But before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It really helps my small channel out a lot. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so I'm using wall art that I already have in my home and I'm gonna upgrade them. So here I'm removing the back piece, the poster and the front glass. Back piece is what I'm going to use as a canvas, so I'm putting it back into the frame again, securing it and then flipping it over. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to make markings on the back piece, just to make sure I don't go outside of the frame when I'm doing the wall art. And taking it out again and removing the frame. Make sure to cover the surface that you're working on. For this wall art, I am using wall filler. And for tools, I am using a wall filler shovel and a brush. Now I'm making sure to get the wall filler all over the back piece, but I'm being careful so I don't go outside of my markings. Now the back piece is completely covered with wall filler, but I'm adjusting the line a little bit here. I want to create a pattern all over the wall art, so I'm using the brush to create this. I don't want it to be symmetrical, so I just keep going in different directions with the brush all over the back piece. And now for the fun part. I'm going to be using this wall filler comb to create the design that I want. It does not need to be perfect, so just go ahead and have some fun with it. And don't worry, if you're not happy with the result, you can just add some extra wall filler and redo the design again. I'm just adjusting the lines a little bit here using different tools. I want the frame to match the wall art that I'm making, so I am mixing some acrylic paint here with some wall filler powder. wall filler dry overnight, and now I'm going to paint it using a wall paint. You can use whatever color you like. I am a real big fan right now of beige, so that's why I'm using beige. I painted the second layer off camera. And here is the result for the first textured wall art that I made. Let's get started with the second one. Doing the same procedure here, just removing the back piece and the poster and the front glass, and then putting the back piece back in again and making the markings. I want to give this wall art a 3D feeling, so I'm using cardboard to create my design. Just remember that you don't need to make it perfect, because we will cover all of it later on with wall filler. And when you're happy with the design, you can glue them to the back piece. I'm using wood glue for this one. Let them dry for a couple of hours and then cover it all with wall filler. I'm going all over the piece in different directions just to create an uneven pattern. It took quite a while for this one to dry, so I think I let it dry for like 3 days or something, because the cardboard was completely wet from all the wall filler. There's a couple of cracks here that I want to mend, so I'm adding in some more wall filler, and then I'm gonna let it dry overnight again. Now it's time to paint it. I'm using 2 different wall paints for this one. I'm also adding in some acrylic paint just to get the exact shade that I want for this one. I want it to be a really, really warm beige color. Let it dry overnight, and then I painted it 1 more layer off camera. And here is the result. Thank you for watching this video with Eforia. If you think this video was inspirational, please remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. This will help me to be able to create more inspiring videos for you guys. Also, make sure to check out the other videos in my channel for more crafts, DIYs, and inspiration.